Thank you so much. Thank you. Round of applause to you guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you for my invitations. Thank you for paying tickets and everything. You know, I'm so happy to be here tonight. And if you don't understand English, tonight you're going to suffer like me. Yeah. Ha! Thank you, thank you. My wife did.
Amen.
Thank you, Mama O, for the outfit. So,
Let's go, you cry, guys. Sahani Sahawasiga. Rajamakara, Motaza. Which was a time you're still a man again. Gabakabu was in August. The sons in a stockings and like bettings and like a fake G. It shows a time you're still a man again. Like a fake G. Our couple was in August. Came off and take off in Yeezy. The tissue and need your gama. Gentleman, I could express. The sons in a stockings and like bettings and like a fake G. I am messing my mind. Joke with my heart.
so Mama, ni kweli unyo wangu sisemeka. Wako zepa, panukuri, respect to you. So, I remember when I was 3 months, I was sleeping and I heard a voice of my mom shouting to my dad, saying, no, my boy is going to be called Rusine Vahizi Kristal. You know, yes, like 8 days or 8 months with Wakeni. Mutsume papa ya taha ya kuga mwanzo mnawata kwe nikaisha. Kirena ko heregaranye nabyo. Nabo ibyo nafitese. Ariko ma ubundi ibintu byakunaniye imyaka. I'm still young. You hustled, it didn't work for you, and it man will not come. And then I also invited my dad here. I don't know if he's here. Hey! You know, Gashana, is my dad here? Yes. So both mom and dad are in the same building. Yeah. This happened wrong time ago. Like 25 years ago. Sierra's time to be the same proof. Yes. Yani mkhawatura ni wajawamu ila yuko mom and dad like baja za walimu na nundi kunu jao vitazakunda. It was good kugeza igihe bambwiye bati nawe none se madama arasinyaye ko twasezeranye kandi muhaye imodoka kandi buri kintu cyose tuguze tugomba kugisharinga turi babiri bati si ngombwa. If it's a gift, it's okay, uraza kumutungura Yesu. Right, n'ibiki byose. But ukira ureka tukubwira akantu kamwe. Iyi modoka n'ubwo ubonera uri muhaye. Tuyibara mu mutungo utirimo kanwa. Aho urimo kanwa. Okay. So umutungo urimo kanwa rero umuntu wanditseho uburya nkaba yemerewe kuba yawugurisha atabwiye mugenzi we mu gihe baba bagiranye ibibazo ibyo ari byo byose. And I was like, so I saved for my whole life to buy a car for my wife. When the man between the people when the number called the good guy, Papa, Mutungo, you can have your matière. Atiata, I want to go to Sahaita without your consent. I swear to God, you know, you should go until now. I'm secret. Hey, you don't even say that you so. You're going to say this. I mean, no, we are Mama's. So, why are you giving us a gift?
I can't believe who I'm going to share you now. Who do you see a shonaga kona kwena meraga? Nika yo fuchizing and it goes on giraga. Who a gukomaga wesa narakatira. Na bukundaga pyogo fati kono nyaga zanafa. Liboro kandi ziri kandi suyusa. That's why you couldn't get Sahani Sahawan cigar. Uranja Bukara Motaza. Which was a time you said I'm not again. I got Gabakabos and I got step. Invitation leaves a garage to my Yakuri. The sounds in a stockings and a panties and I got fetchy. It shows a time you said I'm not again. I got fetchy. Gabakabos and I got step off the tea of Finishi. Invitation leaves a garage to my Yakuri.
For contributing today, and even ibintu byatangiye kera cyane kabisa. Singiye kubabeshya ibintu bijyanye na supporting mbizi kuva kera. Thank you Aline Sano. Wari ufite akandi kazi and bavuga uti you have to be here. Ibi ntabwo ngereranye ntabyo mfite. Ntabwo ibyo ntafite se. Ariko ma ubundi ibintu byakunaniye imyaka. I'm serious. You hustled, it didn't work for you and it. Police, mommy not come. And I also invited my dad here. I don't know if he's here. Hey! You know, Gashana, is my dad here? Yes. So both mom and dad are in the same building. Yeah. This happened wrong time ago. Like 25 years ago. Sierra's time to be the same proof. Yes. Yani mkharaturanyi bajya yuko mom and dad like bajyaga babibona n'undi ibintu byabo bitazakunda.
Ati ibintu byaje muri tujye kuya kabiri Kigali wishe Kigali turasangira Kigali wishe utabana b'iki gihe rwose. Okay, gusharinga n'ubundi twabikoraga cyera ariko ukuntu basigaye babikora basigaye babishira hano hanze nta biratuyobeye uburyo abana b'iki gihe basigaye bitwara. Kigali wishe okay, abana b'iki gihe dusigaye dusharinga ariko se ko kera hari ikintu cyitwaga umwana n'umu n'umuryango. Ubwo nimba Patrick Rusine ari murumuna wanjye, nkanyuriwe nkasanga Irene arimo, uwo mupadiri ntunyishure, ngasanga Irene arimo, ariko Patrick we yagiye kuri kisi. Icyo gihe nakoraga leta ngora iki, leta gashinga nkaba ninjiyemo. Patrick igihe yabone yatahiye akaza akahita abona hari icumu, ngo ndabigenza gute? Ubwo ni ugushaka indirimbo, ariko yakitegereza neza icumu kavuga usiki icumu ari irya Bobo. Ni ukuvuga ko Bobo atari iwe mu rugo, ibindi birabonetse. Yagenda akahita akora iki? Ubu Kigali bishe yahereye irya amashari, ladies and gentlemen.